Hi, welcome back. Today we have a daily Kemetic Yoga class. It's a short but sweet class. We'll meet at the top of our mats. Feet are hip distance apart, palms facing towards the front of the room or your mat. And slightly tucking the tailbone. Take an inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. Inhale again. Hold it for a few seconds. Pull through the crown of your head. Exhale. Relax the belly. Inhale through the nose. Lower the shoulders. Exhale. Take a couple more inhales and exhales at your own pace. And soften the belly, the fingertips, the knees. Maybe put a slight bend in the knee. Inhale again. Exhale. Hands up, inhale. Grab the left wrist with your right hand. Exhale, side stretch to the right. Release, inhale. Exhale to the left. Come back to center. Inhale, fingertips pointing towards the sky. Exhale, bring the fingers close to your ears. Baby back bend. Inhale again. Exhale, fold. Let your body hang low. Maybe you sway the hips from side to side. Your fingertips are either resting on the leg, on the top of your feet, or on your mat. And slowly start to make your way on up, moving one vertebrae at a time, taking your time to get there. Your chin should be the last thing to come up. Inhale again, hands up overhead. Exhale, bring the right hand over the left, making a X with your hands and bring them to your heart. Inhale. Exhale, extend the right hand up towards the ceiling, coming into your man, pose of man. Elbows are at about 100-degree angle. See if you can take your twist a little bit more towards the right. Inhale. Exhale, release. We'll repeat that on the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Twist to the left. Inhale again. Exhale. Come back to center. Inhale again, hands up. Exhale, lower the hands. We'll do our Ma'at Ka. So let's meet at the center of your mat. Left leg comes up. Inhale. Exhale, point the left foot out. Lower the foot down. Hands to the heart. Inhale. Exhale, slowly start to lower. Using your feet to help you get there. Bring the left elbow inside the left knee, the left thigh, and twist to the right. Inhale, exhale. We'll be here for about 2 more breaths. Bring your head over to the right. To your left, overlooking your left shoulders. Inhale. Exhale to the right. One more time. Inhale, look to your left. Exhale, look to your right. Extend the right hand out. Inhale. Exhale, 90-degree angle. Bring the hands to the heart. Try to, if you need your hands to help you get up, that's totally fine. But see if you can use your hips and your legs to help you come up into a standing position. Left knee comes in, lower the foot. We'll repeat our ma'at on the other side. Right leg comes up, inhale. Exhale, extend and lower. Inhale again. Exhale, lower all the way down. Right elbow comes inside the right knee, the right thigh. Inhale. Exhale, see if you can twist a little bit more to your left. Inhale again. Look to your right. Exhale. Inhale. Look to your left. Exhale. Inhale again. And exhale. Extend the left hand out. Inhale. Exhale, 90-degree angle. Come back to center. Inhale. Exhale, slowly come back up. We'll meet at the top of our mats. Inhale. Hands up. Exhale, fold. You may step back into a plank or jump back, hop. Lower all the way down. Inhale. Exhale, heart comes up with you. Heart facing towards the sky. Breathe into the space that you're creating. Fold. Curl the toes, hips up and back. Pyramid. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Exhale. Ripple into your plank. Lower all the way down. Come up into your white jets. Inhale. Exhale. Lower the knees. You may keep the knees lifted off your mat or lower them down. Curl the toes. Make your way into a tabletop. And take your gab. Inhale. Dip the belly, arch your back. Exhale, newts. Round the spine. Continue to move through that a couple more times at your own pace. Right hand comes up, inhale. Exhale, thread the right hand under. Left hand comes behind. Release the hands. Use your hands to help you come up. Left hand comes up, inhale. Exhale, thread your needle. Right hand comes behind you. Inhale. Exhale. Release the hands down on your mat. Let's take a couple more cat-cows. Letting our breath guide us. Move through your cat-cow or your geb newts. In Kemetic Yoga, we say geb newt. Indian Yoga, we say cat cow. It's the same but different. As long as we're moving our body, we're using our breath. At the end of the day, that's what matters. Come back to center. Bring your knees in closer toward your hands. Knees are behind the wrist. Flatten out your feet. Bring the hips down, resting on your heels. Inhale here in sash. And exhale. If you find that this sash pose variation 2 is a little challenging, then do variation 1. If you're needing a bit of an ankle stretch, variation 3 is good for that. Find one that's comfortable for you. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, left hand comes up, right hand beside you, side stretch to the right. Exhale, side stretch to the left. I'll face this way. Let's do that again. Inhale, exhale. Inhale again, exhale. Take your left hand, place it in front of you, your right hand behind you. Spinal twist to the right. You may take your left fingers and place it outside the right leg. Repeat on the other side. Inhale, hands up overhead. Big inhale, fill up your lungs, take in all that oxygen. Bring the hands to the heart, palms together. Exhale, release the carbon dioxide. We'll end here in sash pose. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Feel free to continue to be here in a meditative state for as long as you like. I'll see you in the next class. Ashe.